Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of The Queen Mother and the Queen Are True, chapter 55. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Queen Jiangshu right now. Kai Wei was following her. Why are you here? Of course, I miss you. What about Xishaning? Although Xishaning told me not to approach her, whether it's a warm time, Wei, or help me of the spiritual domain to me. Didn't ask her how about drinking a cup of tea. Well, right now, Queen Jiangshu. She really want to ask questions on Kai Wei. That's why she is entertaining her. Well, definitely. Right now, she was pouring a tea for her. Well, definitely, she wanted to find something about to ask to her. Kaiwei, look at her. Kaiwei, look at her. She was still outside on the window. My sister, in the spiritual study. She is probably thinking about how to deal with King Jinkang. Visioning really needs to fix this problem. After hearing this, Kaiwei right now entered the room and said she's gone. After hearing Xishaning was not here. Well, definitely this girl. She want to know gossips. Heard that Xishaning was injured. Kaiwei said, but it doesn't seem like it's anything to her. Well, definitely. In Xishaning, she is really strong person. That's why even though she got injured, it doesn't matter to her. That woman is not a person. You really don't have to feel sorry for her. Kaiwei said to her. Well, hearing this, of course, Queen Jiangshu, she must really puzzled. She said, Ling Yu, I want to ask you a question. Right now, Queen Jiangshu, she was hesitating how to ask a questions towards her. On her mind, she was afraid that she got misunderstood. You know who in the palace has the habit of grinding mirrors? Oh, what's going on? Why suddenly she got interested of getting a prescription glass? Well, definitely. What are you asking about this kind of thing? Right now, Highway, she seems to be puzzled. She knows that Jiangshu was fine. And now, who is the person who's needing that glass? I want to ask her how to chase a girl. No, it's not me. I have a friend and I asked for my friend. The friend you mentioned shouldn't be Xishaning. Xishaning, she is Celeste, and it's obvious. Highway said to her, right now, looking at Jiangshu, it seems that something to turn into fill and also into stone. Xishaning, before she rebuilt, somebody knows hers. Why, I haven't seen it. Well, right now, it was Jiangshu. She seems to be puzzled knowing that the gender of Xishaning. I said, how can she have the guts? Now, Kaiwei was asking her. She want to hide this. Do you know this kind of thing? The habit of grinding the mirror, I understand. Leave it to me. Jiangshu said, really? Well, definitely. But right now, Kaiwei said to her, because I am. Hey, does it mean that Kaiwei is also, well, definitely. She must be. Also, the female general, right? Now, after hearing this and knowing this, of course, Xishaning thinks about her again. She didn't know. Every person surrounds her, reporting some informations. Someone was reporting to the Queen Mother. Well, maybe. That's why right now, she know that the spiritual domain Kaiwei was with Jiangshu. Now, look at her. She seems to be jealous, right? Suddenly, she threw a glass in the floor. Definitely, she's really getting angry. Because she knows that Kaiwei is moreover like her. Well, definitely, she will really jealous. After a few minutes pass, after a few minutes later, Jiangshu, she came back to the palace. Now she's entering the chamber to see Queen Xishaning. Well, suddenly, look at Xishaning. She seems to be not in the mood. She welcomed her and said she'll know how to come back. Well, definitely, she's not really in a good mood. Right now, it was Qin Jiangshu. What's wrong? With sister. Queen Shishoning said, why do you go out so long? What about the sugar steamed cheese? Queen Jiangshu. She knows that you promised her about steamed cheese. Forget this, Davol. Forget it because she was busy talking with Kaiwei. She's speaking with Kaiwei. Of course, she really got jealous. Isn't this the piece of clothing? Didn't sister say that to help sister to chase a girl in her heart? Now, she went out to pick the clothes with Ling Yu to help me chase my sweetheart. Well, now, it was really funny that Jiangshu, she doesn't know that she's the one who's in the heart of Shishoning. Well, right now, she seems to be flattered and also got shy. Do you want me to give her a beautiful dress to make her happy? No, no, this is for my sister. Shishoning said, me? No, it was Shishoning. She seems to be puzzled. Sister can know. People are impressed by the skin, and the impact of visions can reach the soul. So it turns out she wanted to give her a glass so she can reach her soul. Well, right now, the Queen Mother Shishoning said to herself that to speak human, what's she trying to mend? Right now, she was really hesitating. Moreover, it's to seduce it. It's really getting crazy. Now, what will Shishoning's going to do? Since Jiangshu gave her the glass, can you think that the spiritual realm is still useful? Shishoning said to Jiangshu, but of course Jiangshu, since Skyway is her friend, of course, she can always ask her for help. Although this is not necessarily her original intentions, but my sister was born beautiful, it would be a pity not to use it well. I promise no matter how determined a woman is, she will bow under yours. Right now, Shishoning said, you are so confident. Do you eat this yourself too? Well, definitely, she want to tease her. But right now, Queen Jiangshu, look at her. She's been puzzled. She don't know what Queen Shishoning told her. Now, she really can understand her. Now, let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!